Hey guys, I'm just working on my issue with the Softop. I'm actually looking for some advice. This part right here has a cable on the end, I believe, and what I'm looking to see is if this is supposed to be extended beyond this part. As of right now, when you try to close or open it, this little part right in front of my finger right here moves in and out. And what I'm wondering is if it was already out and then it got closed improperly and it went past this point here going back into there, because I believe this is supposed to be out, sticking out, because as far as I know it's supposed to go in the track, and that actually is what pulls the Softop forward. So the thing I'm looking to see is if anybody with a 06 or whatnot smart car, cabriolet, is if you're able to tell me if this part here is supposed to be extended beyond this here, because this here is fixed, this doesn't move. This part here, as far as I know, actually connects right to there, just before the Softop goes in the track. And right there. So as far as I can tell, this is fixed, this doesn't move. And again, it's this part right here in front of my finger, right there, moves in and out, and I believe that's what's causing the Softop not to close properly. Anyways guys, anyone with a cabriolet smart car, if you're able to leave a comment below if that's supposed to be out beyond this point. Again, what I think had happened is this was out and the top wasn't closed properly, and the cable pulled it in beyond this part here. Anyways guys, thanks for any tips or advice on this. Thanks for watching. Again, this is my 06 smart car cabriolet passion that I'm in the midst of fixing up and fixing all the bugs, and this is one of them. You guys can leave me a comment below on what you suggest. Again, that part right there, if that's supposed to be out beyond here, let me know. Thanks for watching.